Hi, Jacob. We're here on the 6th floor, waiting for the elevator. Let's see what happens. It's here. Let's get in. What kind of elevator do you think this is? Take a look. We are on the 6th floor. We're going to go down, okay? So let's press 2. Now we're at 2. We're going to go down. Here, let's take a look, Jacob. And again, Jacob, if you were in this elevator with me, you would come up to about this high. Oh, this isn't our floor. This is the 2nd floor. So let's keep going. I want to go down to P1. Let's go to P1. And then once we get there, I'll tell you where we're going to go. We're going to go back up to 5. Ready? We're going to go back up to 5. And while we're doing that, let's explore the elevator. I can't tell if it's an Otis or a Schindler. Let's see if it says on the other side. This says that this is a certificate to operate an elevator from the city of Los Angeles. Oh, the doors are closing. All right. And I think our next step is going to be to get off. So let's go to 2 again. Oh, here's a nice man getting on the elevator. Want to say hi to my cousin Jacob? Hi, Jacob.
What's up, Jacob?
He likes to watch videos of elevators. We're going to get off at 2. And I still don't know if it's an Otis or a Schindler. Oh, this is 3. We're going to get off at 2. Look around. Now we're all alone in the elevator, so let's go all the way around. And it's our stop. We're getting off. Let's watch the doors close behind us. Bye-bye, elevator.